Very good morning, children. Let us move on to few more sums on application of integration, that is area under the curve. So let us start with first find the area of circle x square plus y square equals a square. Find the area of this complete circle. So let us first draw this circle, okay? So if I draw this circle, this is nothing but circle ka center passing through origin, and this will be my circle. So this will be nothing but a comma 0. This will be 0 comma a. I want to find area of this complete circle, but we know that this circle is symmetric in all four quadrants. So what will I do? I'll just find the area in the first quadrant. I'll find the area in the first quadrant and I'll multiply by 4. Can I do that? So by axis of symmetry, I can say by axis of symmetry, I would say that area of circle is nothing but 4 times area under this curve. Okay, that is area of this quadrant. Now see, ये x equal to 0 है. This line is x equal to a. Am I right? I draw this line. This is x equal to a. So limits are running from 0 to a for x. So my formula becomes y dx. What is my formula? Y dx, because I am taking limits of x equal to a. Since I am writing y dx, means area under this curve. Okay. Now let us find y. Since this is like this, so my y square will be a square minus x square. Therefore y becomes square root of a square minus x square. That is, area becomes 4 times 0 to a square root of a square minus x square d. We know इसका इंटीग्रेशन कितना होता है? It is x square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a 0 to a. Alpha substitute a. The moment I substitute a over here, ये हो जाएगा 4 times a square root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse a upon a minus 0 put करेंगे 0 into something 0 और ये हो जाएगा sin inverse 0. करेक्ट? क्लियर? तो ये 0 हो गया, ये 0 है तो ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. What is that? 4 a square by 2 sin inverse 1. What is sin inverse 1? Pi by 2. So it becomes 4a square by 2 into pi by 2. So 2 to 4 cut. So area becomes pi a square. Let us cross check our answer. We know that area of circle is pi r square. और यहाँ पर रेडियस कितना है? a. So it is pi a square. Understood? Yes. Clear with this? Now I'll move same for an ellipse. Now let us go for ellipse. Find the area of ellipse will do. Okay. The equation of ellipse given as x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So again I draw an ellipse. This is an ellipse. This will be a comma 0. This will be 0 comma b. Again same like circle, ellipse is also symmetric about its axis. So I'll just find area of ellipse in the first quadrant and I multiply by 4. Correct? So again my area will be 4 times, start कहाँ से हो रहा है 0 से, फिनिश कहाँ पे हो रहा है a पे, यहाँ पर क्या आएगा y dx. Let us find y now. Okay, तो यहाँ से y स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर कितना आएगा 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर. करेक्ट. दैट इज my y square becomes b square, a square minus x square, ये a square. In short मेरा y हो जाएगा 4 times 0 to a b upon a square root of a square minus x square. So 4b by a बाहर आएगा, इसका इंटीग्रेशन in the last sum only we wrote square root of x square root a square minus a square sin inverse x by a. करेक्ट. 0 to a, ये हो जाएगा 4b अपॉन a, इसको a पुट किया तो ये 0 होगा और ये हो जाएगा a square by 2 pi by 2. For this both will be 0, so 4 cut, a cut, so it becomes pi a b. क्या आंसर आया pi a b, क्योंकि ये a था ये b था, सर्कल में दोनों a था इसलिए pi a into a, that is pi a square. इलिप्स में pi a b, so complete area of ellipse is pi a b. Understood? Now the most important sum for your JEE mains, for your CET, for your board exam MCQ, or for a 4-mark question. Find the area, or you can say region, common to both y square equal to 4ax and x square equals 4by. I want to find area of region common to both the parabolas. Sorry, this a again. Common to both the parabolas. Okay, I give you 2 minutes to think over it. What will be the diagram? Okay, and then we solve. First we will draw both the parabolas. Okay, once you draw both the parabolas, we will come to know the common region. Then we can think of limits. Now one thing is very important. Whenever they talk about common region, the first task will be to draw the diagram. Second step will be solve both the curves simultaneously. Let me draw y square equal to 4x means which parabola? This one, na? This is y square equal to 4ax parabola. Correct? Then what is x square equal to 4ay? If I am not wrong, it is this parabola. Correct? X square equal to 4ay. So if you see, the region common to both is which region? This region. Am I right? So I need to find region between these two, point A and point B. I know A के coordinates क्या है 0, 0. I want to find B के coordinates. So to find the coordinates of B, I need to solve these two simultaneously. Let us see. Since y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4by, I will square this. क्या हो जाएगा y square का square 16a square x square. Whenever we solve simultaneously, we substitute the values. तो x square की वैल्यू कितनी है? So y raised to 4, 16a square, x square आएगा 4by. Correct? So y raised to 4 minus 64. Sorry, ये a है, a हो जाएगा 64 a cube y is equal to 0. I'll take y common. So y cube minus 64 a cube is equal to 0. So either y is 0 और आई कैन से y क्यूब इज 64a क्यूब। सो या तो y 0 है और y है 4a, मतलब या तो y 0 है या तो y है 4a। Now if y is 4a, y 4a है, therefore x square is equal to 4ay। y कितना है? 4a। मेरा कर्व पॉजिटिव में इंटरसेक्ट हो रहा है, so x is nothing but 4a। कितना है x? 4a। ये हो गया 4a। Now see what is the meaning of integration? Area under the curve। तो हम पहले रेड कर्व की एरिया निकालेंगे। रेड कर्व की एरिया from 0 to 4a। If I find the area of red curve, I get the entire part। मुझे पूरा पार्ट नहीं चाहिए, मुझे इस पूरे पार्ट में से ग्रीन पार्ट निकालना पड़ेगा। If I do area of red minus area of green, ये मेरा रेड पार्ट है और ये मेरा ग्रीन पार्ट है। रेड पार्ट मीन्स दिस एरिया, है ना, एंड ग्रीन पार्ट का मतलब है दिस एरिया। So if I subtract these two area, I'll get this common area. Am I right? So क्या करेंगे? Area of red curve minus area of green curve. Understood? Area of red curve minus area of green curve. Let us do that. So required area is red curve कहां से कहां तक जाएगा? 0 से लेकर 4a तक। तो 0 से 4a you write area under y square equal to 4ax, जो कि मेरा रेड कर्व है, माइनस 0 to 4a एरिया अंडर x square equal to 4ay। ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा 0 to 4a y dx। तो y क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ y? 2, sorry, it will be 2 root a root x minus, इधर भी y dx आएगा, y क्या आएगा? x square upon 4a। clear? yes, so it becomes 2 root a, इसका इंडिकेशन क्या आएगा? x raised to 3/2 और इधर 2/3, लिमिट्स 0 to 4a माइनस 1/4a बाहर आएगा, x स्क्वायर का x क्यूब बाय 3, 0 to 4a। क्लियर? से हो गया 4/3 रूट a। x कितना है? 4a रेज टू 3/2, दैट इज 4a 3/2। तो कितना आएगा? 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 3/2, a रेज टू 3/2, कट कट 8, ये आएगा 8 a रेज टू 3/2 माइनस ये हो जाएगा 4a का क्यूब अपॉन 3 इंटू 4a। क्लियर? यस, सो लेट्स सी हियर व्हाट वी गेट। ये a रेज टू हाफ, a रेज टू 3/2 कितना हो जाएगा? a स्क्वायर। सो हो गया 32/3 a स्क्वायर माइनस ये 4a और एक 4a कट स्क्वायर आएगा 16a स्क्वायर बाय 3। सो आंसर इज 16a स्क्वायर बाय 3। सो एरिया ऑफ रीजन कॉमन टू बोथ पैराबोला इज 16a स्क्वायर बाय 3। ठीक है, नाउ ट्राई टू टेक डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ a in both the cases and try to relate the shortcut formula for area of region common to both parabolas. I will give you definitely the formula, but I want you to derive the formula. ये क्या है? 4a into 4a upon 3. So can I say that this value into this value upon 3? Just check it with few problems and try to derive the formula on your own. Okay. Another important sum. Find the area common to circle x square plus y square equals 16 and the line y is equal to x in the first quadrant. In first quadrant. A very important and a unique sum, you can say. Let us draw the diagram first. So ये x square plus y square 16 मतलब क्या है ये? Circle. So let us draw the circle. This will become 4, 0. Then a line y equal to x. क्या बोला है line? Y is equal to x. So it will be like this. Correct? This is my line. Y is equal to x. Area of region common to both in the first quadrant. क्या बोला है? सिर्फ फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट बोला है. ये पूरा गायब कर देते हैं. No need of this part. है ना? तो देखो कौन सा रीजन चाहिए मुझे? This is the region I am interested. है ना? Now see the interesting part in this region is, I'll draw it magnified now. ऐसा है, ऐसा है, ऐसा. ठीक है? If you see till here, if मैंने divide किया अगर, if I divide this, so this part, this region is area under the line. Can I say this region is area under the line? इस line के अंदर का region है ना ये y equal to x का. So this area, that is area of triangle. This I can easily find area of triangle. Area under the line. Then ये जो region है, that is OBC. This is part of circle. So it is coming with two things at the same time. Some part, this much part is of line, area under the line, and this part is area under the curve. Correct? Understood? So first I need to find this point of intersection. This point will tell me from where to where it is line and from where to where it is a circle. So क्या करेंगे? I'll solve them simultaneously. I'll put y as x. So since I substitute y as x, so x square plus x square equal to 16. 2x square equal to 16. Again, I'm talking about first quadrant, so I'll take only positive values. 8. So x क्या आएगा? 2 root 2. x 2 root 2 है, तो y भी 2 root 2 आएगा. So I can say, therefore c is nothing but 2 root 2 comma 2 root 2. ये लाइन थी मेरी x equal to 0. ये हो गया x equal to 2 root 2. ये हो गया x equal to 4. समझ रहे हैं? तो क्या करेंगे? 0 से 2 root 2 area of this line, 2 root 2 से 4 area of this curve. क्यों कर रहा हूं? Because I know that if I do area under circle, तो I'll get full region. I am not interested in the full region because अंदर आऊंगा, this is the line. So I first integrate around line till here and then area under the curve. So I get area is equal to 0 to 2 root 2 y dx, right here for line, mine plus 2 root 2 to 4 y dx, in bracket you can write area under circle, that is 0 to 2 root 2 y, कितना आएगा? x dx plus 2 root 2 to 4 y कितना आएगा? As usual 16 minus x square. Now this integration you will solve on your own. Are you getting it? You will solve on your own. You will get the answer as somewhat 2 pi. Check whether you get the answer as 2 pi. Okay.